we have to understand that one click for any search that you want to do on any engine, it requires machines to operate, and those machines need power. So that is going to grow substantially, and I think we are no exception to this. So while obviously innovation is something which is essential now, and we don't do it, then we'll not be able to survive now.
Yeah, thank you so much. Well, let me bring you in, and thanks for joining us. Is innovation impossible in this environment, or does it accelerate? Does it increase the need to push towards innovation? How are you seeing innovation amid that global environment that I just spoke about?
Okay, thanks, John. I would say innovation is a must. I mean, if I can join the two panelists here, look at things from the lens of an engineer. And your question was around global uncertainty, impacting or affecting innovation or development strategies. And I'll zoom in on Saudi Arabia for a moment. So, the challenges we face, or we have faced, for close to a decade right now, in the big push for Vision 2030, is there was a lot going on, okay, the strain on supply chain. Now we're in a bit of a new era right now with uncertainty, the geopolitical situation, the stock market being a bit of a yo-yo right now. So we have, an interesting era to work through right now. But in Saudi, we also have some commitments, including Winter Games, some commitments including Expos and World Cups. And I think to deliver, against all these major projects and programs, some of them include a heavy AI and digital power component. We have fixed end dates, and now we need to work backwards. So innovation to deliver a lot of these major projects and programs, it's a must.
Thank you so much, Bob. So thank you for your patience, and thank you for joining us. Is innovation impossible, given everything I just spoke about, or does it accelerate it? Does it push it? Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. So building on everything my panelists just say, and it's Saudi National Day just yesterday, and as a Saudi, when you just asked your question, I can only remember Prince Mohammed bin Salman saying that Saudis don't know what impossible means. And in the world of uncertainty, it only taught Saudis to be more resilient, more stubborn, to get things down and to get things done. And 2030 Virgin is all about innovation. It's all about trying new things. Many of our projects here in Saudi, a lot of the world will say, oh, those Saudis are crazy, referring to your crazy earlier.
It's a technical term, yes.
Exactly. But it's proven, no, we're not crazy. We're ambitious, we're an ambitious nation, we're resilient, and we're very much stubborn to innovate and get things done. Even out of the box, I would say Saudis don't think out of the box, we just simply don't see a box.
Right.
And that's how we operate.
So can I ask you, just staying with you for a moment, I painted a pretty positive picture for the Saudi economy, and I think that's right. And these reforms that I went through, particularly the FDI law, there's the capital markets being sort of opened up or liberalised a little bit, these are positive things, but can you tell me, are you seeing those have a positive impact already? I shared the business environment rankings, which is more of a 5-year ahead look, and I think it's positive over that time. But how are you seeing these reforms on FDI or the capital markets? Are you seeing those having an effect?
Every year, for example, in LEAP, we see those multi-$100 million investment in Saudi from purely giant Fortune 500 companies and tech leaders of the world. And it's all pouring into Saudi. Microsoft, for example, has been in Saudi for 25 plus years, but every single year they're investing more and more, whether it's financial, whether it's growing the team, whether it's in training, development, Huawei, Alibaba,